One Lowcountry church is hoping to bring peace during these stressful times. Reverend L.V. Johnson of St. Stephen AME Church in Hardeeville wants all churches to ring their bells at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. daily. He's hoping people will stop and say a prayer when they hear them.
A simple thing, like a call to prayer, I believe would bring us even closer together. A call to prayer that simply reminds us that our faith is still unshakable, even in a crisis.
Okay, so not daily. Here's a correction here. Johnson is calling for the bells to ring at 7 and 7 every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday until people can return to regular church services.